Complete the pattern. 20, 22, 24. Answer is 26. Which number is smaller? 38 or 60? Answer is 38. In 49, what is the tens digit? Answer is 4. Complete the pattern. 20, 25, 30. Answer is 35. What number comes after 29? Answer is 30. What number comes after 90? Answer is 91. Complete the pattern. 45, 50, 55. Answer is 60. Which word represents 10? Answer is 10. Complete the pattern. 18, 20, 22. Answer is 24. Which word represents 30? Answer is 30. Complete the pattern. 60, 70, 80. Answer is 90. Complete the pattern. 25, 30, 35. Answer is 40. What number comes before 47? Answer is 46. Complete the pattern. 14, 16, 18. Answer is 20. What number comes before 58? Answer is 57. Complete the pattern. 5, 10, 15. Answer is 20. Which number is greater? 57 or 10? Answer is 57. Which number is smaller? 67 or 55? Answer is 55. Which is the largest number? 76, 9, 84? Answer is 84. Complete the pattern. 4, 6, 8. Answer is 10.